Welcome to All About Home Decor, where we bring you the best home decor tips and inspiration. Today, we're diving into some amazing living room design ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and comfortable retreat. Whether you're looking to revamp your entire living room or just add a few new touches, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Neutral tones are perfect for achieving a warm and welcoming feel. Think beige, cream, and soft grays. Add plush throw pillows and a cozy rug to make the space feel even more inviting. A mix of textures, like a knitted blanket or a velvet cushion, can add depth and interest to your living room. If you prefer a more modern look, consider a minimalist approach. Opt for sleek furniture with clean lines and stick to a monochromatic color scheme. White, black, and shades of gray can create a sophisticated and contemporary vibe. Don't forget to add some statement pieces like a unique coffee table or an eye-catching piece of art to give the room character. Feeling bold? Inject some personality into your living room with vibrant colors and patterns. A colorful accent wall or a patterned rug can instantly liven up the space. Mix and match different patterns, like geometric prints with florals, to create a fun and eclectic look. Just be sure to balance the bold elements with some neutral pieces to avoid overwhelming the space. Bringing nature indoors is another fantastic way to enhance your living room. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, and greenery. A wooden coffee table or a stone fireplace can add a rustic touch, while plants can bring life and freshness to the room. Consider hanging some potted plants or placing a few large floor plants in the corners to create a serene and calming environment. Last but not least, let's talk about smart storage solutions. A clutter-free living room is key to maintaining a stylish and organized space. Invest in furniture that doubles as storage, like an ottoman with hidden compartments or a coffee table with built-in shelves. Floating shelves and wall-mounted cabinets can also provide additional storage without taking up valuable floor space. Remember, your living room should reflect your personal style and be a place where you feel comfortable and happy. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create the living room of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home decor tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.